everybody, thanks for watching. Welcome to another pool cleaning review. This time the folks from Wybot sent me their latest robotic cordless pool cleaner. This is the Wybot C1, and today we're going to put it through its paces. It's been a while, we've had so much rain that I haven't been able to do a review, just because who wants to watch a rainy gray pool review? Nobody. So today's nice and clear, but it's also nice and hot, so we're going to go inside to do the unboxing. It's a lot cooler inside today, so we'll do the unboxing in here with a time lapse, and I'll talk about what you need to know. Packaging was uneventful, everything was professionally, securely packaged, no damage, everything arrived safely, and what graphics! It's probably the prettiest box I've ever unboxed. Here's everything that comes in the box. First, you get your pool cleaner. We'll talk a little bit more about that later. Then it comes with a really simple to understand quick start guide that will get you out of the box into the pool without much trouble. It comes with its charger, its power transforming charger that you plug into the unit. That is really the beauty of this whole system, that it's a cordless or wireless unit. You just charge it up and it takes care of everything autonomously. It has a retriever hook that will snap onto your standard pool hole so you can retrieve the unit once it's done cleaning. It also comes with a Wybot user manual, a little thank you note, and some directions on how to get support if you need it. And finally, this is something new to me. It has a kind of a buoyancy kit for ultra slick surface pools. If you have a ceramic pool or a tile pool or some sort of really slick surface, you might need a little more buoyancy to do an effective cleaning job, and they've thought of that. Let's take a closer look at this Wybot C1. You can see right in the front it has these dual robust roller brushes. These will make short work of the pool debris and grime. Up front is a nice big charging indicator. Simple, easy to see, easy to act on. Charging itself doesn't take forever. To go from 0 to complete charge is 2.5 hours, and you can get up to 200 minutes depending on your running mode. On the side you can see those massive tracks. The Wybot C1 is equipped with 3 powerful motors to make the best of suction and really get all that dirt and debris out of your pool. And it's equipped with a single power button, which everybody just loves simple controls. On top we have the charging port and that massive exhaust fan for the incredible suction. Looking at the back of the unit, you see it's cleverly designed as well. A single hatch exposes the debris screen or the filter basket. The filter basket itself is this micro screen to really capture everything. Got some desiccant here from packaging, and that will capture everything you need to capture out of your pool. Simple one-click hasp right here. On the bottom is a little flapper to keep everything in there so it doesn't get reintroduced into the pool. And once you're done emptying it, spraying it off, it just slides back in and closes with a click. There we go. Simple, eloquent, compact. Let's go try it out. Charging is simple, just plug it into any outlet. And it's got a distinct head so it can only fit in the charging port one way. You unscrew the lid, connect it, and then you wait. It's got this bright yellow flashing light to say that it is charging. Once it's fully charged, you get a bright green light and you're ready to go. A quick word about the app. It's both Apple and Android, of course. It's very intuitive and simple. It took me about 10 minutes to set everything up, all the particulars for my pool. Also, you can set up timing and scheduling of your pool cleaning. Really a user-friendly experience. I wanted to contrast this. This is our current pool cleaner with its cord. What a mess. That compared to the Wybot, a single unit, no cord, tidy. What a contrast. The last thing to do before putting it in the pool is to make sure it understood your instructions. So we turn it on, send the app instructions to it, and then you got 3 minutes to get it in the water. The blue light indicates it's ready. Once you get the Wybot in the pool, it takes a few seconds for it to sink to the bottom, and the Wybot will take about 10 extra seconds to calibrate before it starts cleaning. Equipped with triple powerful motors and 2 robust roller brushes, this pool robot delivers double the suction power, effectively capturing dirt, sand, leaves, and debris. It will let you enjoy a debris-free pool and a more enjoyable swimming experience. It can effortlessly climb pool walls, ensuring thorough cleaning without getting stuck. It also won't get stuck at the drain as it has a smart self-rescue. With advanced gyroscopes and depth sensors, the Wybot pool vacuum robot sees your pool and intelligently plans the most efficient cleaning path. With the Wybot app, you can choose from various cleaning modes, including floor mode, wall mode, waterline mode, and combination mode. And select up to 6 different cleaning paths to target specific areas. You can customize the cleaning to suit your pool's unique requirements and enjoy a tailored cleaning experience. You can set a scheduled cleaning time through the app. It will automatically clean your pool on specific days. This convenient feature saves you time and effort, ensuring your pool stays clean at your desired time without manual intervention. The Wybot Cordless Pool Cleaner offers the longest runtime among cordless pool robots, providing up to 180 minutes of continuous cleaning. For floor cleaning only, it can even reach up to 200 minutes. Additionally, its quick 2.5-hour recharge time minimizes waiting, allowing you to maximize pool enjoyment. The Wybot Cordless Pool Cleaner robot has an impressive 90% pool coverage. It efficiently cleans not only the pool floor, but also the walls and waterline, ensuring a thorough, comprehensive cleaning experience. Enjoy crystal clear walls in a visually appealing swimming environment. The Wybot Robotic Pool Cleaner is programmed to park itself next to the pool edge when it's low on battery. That makes retrieval easy. You just attach the hook to a regular pool pole and lift it out of the water. Then all you need to do is take the basket, rinse the basket off of the garden hose, reinsert it, charge the unit back up, and you are ready to clean again. They really did make this simple and user-friendly. Overall impression of this Wybot C1 is very favorable. Sleek, well thought out design, coupled with a powerful cleaning performance made this a win for, and a definite recommend from the DANDLINC studios. The robot performed as advertised, cleaning the pool bottom, walls, and the waterline. Its long-running cycle made sure it had enough time to cover our entire pool. Easy app control is a plus. Lots of versatility and tailorable cleaning options. The lack of cords is wonderful. I didn't think it would be a significant plus for us, but it really did make our pool surrounding area clean and tidy, and I really like that. So overall, win. Affordable, competent, sleek, and powerful. We recommend. Thanks for watching.